Good day, y'all. Good day, y'all. Welcome back to HuuCal solar panel cleaning, and this is the final product of pigeon proofing and pigeon proofing spikes. So we got the spikes installed along the roof peak here, along this peak. Then we got the top one here. Got that peak there, and also this peak here. And the front portion here was shaded, where pigeon can get under this area. And then pigeon netting for the solar panels, all nicely done too. Nice and clean, nice and tight, all the corners. So if you are in the area and need our services, give us a call at HuuCal Solar Panel Cleaning. Our phone number is 559-663-0299. We'll get it done for you.